A year ago, I said that I consider the market to be around fairly valued. The reasons for this assessment were that multiples were not too high, but fundamentals were a bit toppy on an aggregate levels. The assessments turned out to be right, and the market has been range-bound for a year and a half. Circumstances have not changed much, and so my assessment is more or less the same. Limited upside and not much downside if there is a big macro hit. The big upside could happen if there would be a big re-rating of the market with super growth companies like in 1999 or 2000. I don't count on any of those two scenarios, so around fairly valued. However, the opportunity set has changed through this 1 year and a half. If you've heard me talk on some webcasts or presentations, maybe you will recall that I was mentioning at the end of last year, third quarter, fourth quarter, the emergence of big opportunities in the super cyclical part of the market, mining, materials, some industrials. I took advantage and I bought some of these companies. For example, Archer Daniels, which is a commodity trader, or I added to my position in Mosaic, a fertilizer company. The increase in these positions has been moderate, as I still think we are in a late stage of economic cycle, and at the same time, my process, I'm very process focused and I calculate my downside and my upside. In this case, the downside is still significant if things don't work out. As a result, the fund is significantly overweight industrials and with relevant positions in materials and energy. These three sectors were only marginal up to almost only a year ago. As well, the fund now is very overweight internationally exposed companies. 3 years ago, I was very US-centric, US-focused companies. But as a result of the strength of the US dollar, some of these international companies have not only suffered in their business, in their fundamentals, but as well they have been derated. Short term, there is always doubt on how things will work. But on the long term, I think this is a very adequate bet. We are in the middle of the quarterly results season. There has been a huge volatility around numbers, with some stocks, even mega caps, going up and down a lot. As you well know, quarterly results are not part of my investment process or investment thesis. However, it's throwing away some good buying opportunities, and I'm taking advantage of that. Most of the risk is linked to a stock specific risk. So the performance of the stock market now has much more divergence in terms of stocks more than thematic or sectors, which is a good environment. And I think that the environment that we are going on now will be conducive to find good long-term investment opportunities.